In this tutorial, we will be covering a real-time motion blur and long-time exposure techniques. First of all, we need to create an arbitrary geometry and apply tracer generator. Disable trace vertices, since we only need to trace an origin of our object. We need to limit its influence from its end and increase an amount value. This action specifies that we will be generating a new spline during the animation with a lifetime of 2 frames. Create the desired spline object and use it as a profile spline for a sweep generator. Select a newly created generator and disable its caps from both sides. Assign a new material to this sweep object and load a gradient texture into its alpha channel. Open up a newly created gradient and rotate it by -90 degrees. Overall quality in the viewport can be improved by activating a transparency option. Also, we have to match the color of this material with the base color of our geometry. You can either manually animate its coordinates or by applying a vibrate tag. Tracer object is capable of working with multiple duplicates of the desired geometry. Select all vibrate tags and assign individual seed values by writing an in its seed field. Interesting results will be achieved if you will increase an amount value of tracer object and apply a colored gradient to its material. If you like this tutorial, consider becoming a patron and also follow me on social media. Thanks for watching.